Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's that time of the year when the tropic levels are going right low. And if you're in Dubai and wondering, what are you going to do this weekend? Habibi, Global Village is the place to be. Let's go! This is the 26th season of Global Village in Dubai. And as we explore this beautiful place, I'll be sharing with you top 10 places to explore at Global Village. So what are you waiting for? Let's go again. Okay, so number one thing you need to know when you're here, you need to keep your mobile phones on full charge, because once you enter this place, you'll be just mesmerized to look around, and the first thing that you're going to do is take out your mobile phone, okay? And you do not want your phone to be dead, because just look around. This entire place is just picture perfect for your Instagram, your TikTok videos, everything. So get your phones charged, and also remember to wear a mask. So for all those 90s kids out there who would watch Ripley's Believe It or Not, see what I've got for you. The entire set of Ripley's Believe It or Not is right over here. You have a museum, you have a mirror maze. You must have watched 3D films. Here you have a 4D theatre. I'm quite sure once you're in over there, you'll be left at your edge of your seats. So if you're one of those who love some action and adventure, this is your place that you need to be at. The Harbour Force Stunt Show, where you'll find stunts performed live on bikes, cars and jet skis. As you explore the different pavilions here in Global Village, you'll be forced to stop by some extremely talented street performers who are ready to entertain you just for a nice applause or a nice selfie with them. So go ahead and don't stop yourself from taking selfies with these amazing street performers. On my list next is all about shopping. From clothes to these lovely fridge magnets, from honey to spices, you'll find it everything in these 26 amazing pavilions in Global Village. So if you're a person who loves shopping, you will end up with a lot of bags while you exit this place. So enjoy your shopping, guys. So right behind me, you can see all these colors and rides and games, rightly termed as the carnival. So this is the place where your inner child is going to be popping outside in enthusiasm. So over here you have around 170 rides, games and adventure parks that you can come and enjoy with yourself or your family or your kids. Everyone over here is going to have a good time. So if you're a parent out there coming over here with your kids, you won't be left disappointed, because Global Village has its own kids theatre, which has live performers entertaining your kids all the evening out. So now after all this running around, I'm quite sure you'll be hungry, and this air over here is filled with the aroma of amazing and delicious food which you need to try out. I mean, you have all the Mughlai, the Indian, you have the Turkish food, everything. But if you have a sweet tooth, this is the platform you need to be on. So let's jump over on this railway station and see which train is on board for the wonderful sweets of Thailand. Let's go. Thank you. So all those chai lovers out there, you have chai right here. So enjoy. After grabbing some good stuff to eat, you can grab a seat at this outdoor amphitheater and enjoy some amazing shows that happen over here. Now after exploring this entire place, the last thing you need to watch is this fire-breathing dragon and the underwater lighting show. Now once you watch this, I mean, you'll be amazed to see how advanced technology has gone to. If you come on a Thursday or a Friday, you will also be able to witness a live fireworks up in the sky, lighting the entire area. So if you're planning to come over here, do remember Global Village is open till April 10th, 2022. You can buy your tickets from here or online from our website rayanatours.com. So before you go, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, do like, share and subscribe, follow us on Instagram. Until then, live your life, live your dream and keep traveling. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.